Today I am reviewing this foam cannon. Pretty awesome for washing cars. Has 1,000 milliliters of capacity. You put your soap in here. It's going to make it foam up. Hook it to your power washer right here. Has a nozzle to control the spray right here. And you also have, you can adjust this blade here in like car wash setting. If you really need to blast something like your undercarriage or your wheels, you can put the tip to adjust how much pressure is going out, how concentrated the spray is. Another cool thing is it comes with all of these other power washer tips. So if you want just normal power washing tips and you need some, it'll do that. So it has a quick disconnect right here. You just hook it up to your pressure washer. Now let's wash my truck. And turn it down. That's wild. It's getting the soap on it, I'll tell you that much. I don't think I needed to use so much. You can see it, just the spray out. This is more how you want to do it. You can adjust it then in this tip. So adjust it out so it's a bigger spray. Blast all in your wheels and wheel well. Into the gunk. Adjust it out so it'll fan a little less. Like that. Now my truck is looking absolutely beautiful again. Shines up nice. Foam cannon actually saves a lot of water too. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.